Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have done my normal everyday makeup and I haven't done anything on my eyes, as you can see, but as it is Valentine's Day coming up, I thought I would try and do maybe a Valentine's or heart or love inspired eye look for you. I have no idea how this is going to turn out, to be honest. I don't really know what I'm doing, so I'm just going to do it and see how it turns out. So I'm going to take the trusty Blood Sugar palette just because it has got the best pink and red shades, which obviously perfect for Valentine's Day. I have got another video linked down below which was actually using this palette to do an eye look, but today I'm not going to go full out because it's obviously going to be similar to that video, so I thought I would maybe put just a pop of colour in the inside and try and do something with a wing liner and maybe put some heart on the end of it or something. So I thought I'd film, sit down and talk to you guys and see what look we can create. If it's going to be good, any good, I don't really know, but I'm going to zoom you in a little bit so you can see, and let's go on into the video. So as you can see, I have done my makeup, a bit too much highlight going on there. I have got some pictures for like reference. I've looked on Pinterest. I'll pop them up now to the side so you can see what look I'm kind of going for. They're not obviously going to be as good as that, so please don't have high expectations, but I will try my best. So I'm the worst person to do an eyeliner. I might do that off camera and come back to you, and I might just try it on one eye just in case it doesn't work, but let's go for it. So I'll be back in a minute, hopefully with something that resembles a good eyeliner. It might take a while. I am literally the worst person. This doesn't even look good. Like, what is this? Okay, so I've decided that I can't save this one because you know when you just keep drawing your eye and it's not saving it. It's not saving it. So this side I'm going to keep, and this side I'm going to do a different heart look, and we'll have two different things going on, but we'll see if we can make it work. Okay, so I've taken this eye off because let's just pretend that I didn't even attempt to do it. So this wing isn't too bad for me. So I'm going to take my Morphe 350 palette and take this brownie black shade and then just run it under the waterline to try and smoke this out a little bit. Alright, that doesn't look too bad. I just wish I was better at eyeliner a little bit, then it might actually look a bit decent. I'm going to take a little fluffy brush and then I'm going to go into here, and I'm just going to go straight in with the colour Cavity, tap it off, and pop this just in the inner corner. Then I am going to take this colour Candy Floss and just pop that on top. So that's not too bad. Right, then this is going to be a hard bit. So there was a little bit of change of plan. I actually have these stencils for like a bullet journal. I think they're from Tiger. So the light is bad. And there was a heart. So I kind of pressed this against the side of my eye, and I'm going to put you in a better light so you can see. But so yeah, there's like a little heart there. So far, I'm actually quite impressed with myself. That's not bad for me. I literally just place the stencil where I want it, so I'm going to put one there, and then I've got quite a lot of pigment, just place it down where you want it and then just tap in the stencil, and then it makes a heart. Oh, that's quite cute actually. Right, I'm going to go do that, then clean it up, then come back to you and see how this look is actually turning out. So far I have no idea what I'm doing, but it's hearts, it's pink, it's Valentine's Day, so you know. Okay, so I'm kind of wishing I did this on the other eye now because look how cool this is turning out. Obviously I need to clean it up a little bit, but I'm going to add some ones further up and then I'm going to put false lashes on. But yeah, I'm just going to carry on doing some up here. I might outline my brow in pink as well, and then I will, it's always when I talk to you the light decides to come. Can we? Oh. So yeah, I'm actually really loving it, but this side's cool as well, but we've got two looks going on. I should do like a half and half. But yeah, I really like this. So I'm going to add some more, clean it up, and then I'll come back to you, put some lashes on, and then we can do my lips and finish off a little Valentine's eye look. I don't even know what I'm saying, I'm just blubbering now. I'll see you in a second. I've finished this off. I put some darker colours up here and then go to lighter, and then I just underlined my eye as well with the pink colour from before. So we've got this side here and then we've got this side here. I really like this one. I'm not so sure on this one just because my eyeliner skills aren't that great. But yeah, I'm gonna go put some fake eyelashes on now. They're just the Primark, what's the name of them? Sultry. I knew it began with S. So yeah, I just put those ones on and then I will check in with you and we'll just do a lip colour. So guys, oh my god, I am actually really happy with myself. Like, I'm not the best at putting on lashes, so please just excuse that. But can you see that? That looks so good. I'm so happy. Like, for me, that is good. And then this side here looks cute. This needs sorting out. I'm just going to put a bit of the Bad Girl Bang just to blend them in a little bit together. This eyelash is literally so high up. And then I'm just going to finish off by using the Anastasia Sad Girl on my lips because this is my favourite lipstick. It's literally so shiny and nice, look at that. So I'm just going to put that on my lips. That's the lipstick. I really need to sort out this eyelash. Then we will take my hair out. I am literally so happy with this. So this is the finished makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash a big thumbs up and subscribe for weekly videos. I should upload every week on a Thursday, so look out for those. And I really hope you like this because I'm super proud of myself. Although I'm not the best at makeup, I've really tried with this and I love it. The lighting's really bad here as well, so shall I move here? Is that better? Oh, I love this so much. It looks so cool. So yeah, if you do love this, then please smash a big thumbs up and I'll see you next week. Bye!